Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to view not safe for work content on the Reddit application on your iPhones. Now if you head over to the Reddit application on your iPhones and you go over to your profile page and go to your settings, you'll notice that there's no option to change this setting here. It's not on the iPhone app that I've found at least at all. So what you have to do to change this setting on your account is you have to head over to Safari and just head over to reddit.com, the website. Just make sure it's not the mobile, not the application version, because it's going to try to pop up the application as much as it possibly can. So just avoid going into the application, ensure that you're still on Safari. And then what you want to do when you're on Safari and you're logged into your Reddit account is you want to go up to the top right corner and click on the three lines. And then you want to click on Settings and then Account Settings. And then we'll just give this a second to open up. And then what you want to do now is you want to go to the fourth tab where it says Feed Settings. And then you'll see the adult content option right here. So you just want to click on that to open that up. And then it will save the changes on there. And now once you closed your Reddit application on your iPhones and you reopen it, it will be activated on there as well. So then it will work on the application. So the only issue with this is it doesn't let you do it on the application. So you do have to go elsewhere to change it. But it does work fully on the application once you change it on the web version. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with giving you a solution to this issue. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.